Hi guys, how are you doing? This is Arash and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to teach you the other side of crypto market. I want to tell you how you can analyze Bitcoin intra-network information. This type of analyze with technical analyze gives you better perspective for future of Bitcoin. So let's follow the PowerPoint, then you understand what I say. The purpose of making this video is to learn more about intra-network information, so I will mention the most important and practical of them. Fear and greed index, funding rate, long and short position, active addresses, and exchange balance. Fear and greed index. There are two questions. Why measure fear and greed? How the index is measured? The answer for first question is sentiment around crypto market is really important because crypto market behavior is very emotional. People are often greedy in bullish trend, which result is FOMO, fear of missing out. Also, people often sell in irrational reactions in correction trends. So that's why this index is important for investors and traders. As Warren Buffett said, be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful. This index has a 5 level. 0 till 25 means market is in extreme fear. Number 25 till 49 is fear. 50 is normal. 51 till 74 is in greed. And when market arrive to 75 till 100, we call market is in extreme greed. The second question was how the index is measured. There are 6 items that make this index. Volatility. This is 25 index score. Market volume. This is 25 index score. Number 3 is social media, 15%. 4 is Google Trends, 10%. Number 5 is Bitcoin dominance, 10%. Number 6 is survey result, 15%. Funding rate. What is funding rate? Funding rates are transfer payment made between long and short position on a perpetual swap futures market. They are designed to keep contract prices consistent with underlying assets. Funding rate represents traders' sentiment of which position they bet on the perpetual swap market. So this is set by all market participants and changes over time. Positive funding rate implies that many traders are bullish and long traders pay funding rate to short traders, and vice versa. When the funding rate is negative, people with short position pay people with long position. As you see on chart, when funding rate is positive and high, then chart start to bearish trend. So now we understand. For example, when fear and greed index is extreme greed and funding rate is positive and too high, then we must analyze the chart. If chart is in a resistance zone, probably couldn't break resistance and we will have downtrend. The next intra-network information is long and short position. Checking this item is useful too because we will know what whole market opinion is. Market is on the side of buyer or seller. There are many websites that you can find this information. Just you Google it, that's it. Active addresses. Active addresses show us how many addresses, for example, for today's have received and sent. Addresses with balance greater or equal than 0.01, address with the balance more than 1 Bitcoin, more than 10 Bitcoin, 1000 and more 10,000 Bitcoin. Active addresses with balance 0.01 or 0.1 is represent the general public of investors. These addresses are usually follow the trend. In uptrend, we will see number of these addresses are rising, and in downtrend, usually reduce. Active addresses with more than 1,000 or 10,000 Bitcoin are market whales. These kind of addresses have different opinion, and for long-term investors, follow them is useful. Exchange balance. The most important thing that you must know about this item is follow how many transactions for deposit and withdrawal we have, and what volume or number of Bitcoin outflow or inflow. Let's give you an example, then you understand why important is. Suppose 1,000 withdrawal transactions are made in one day and 500 Bitcoin outflow of the exchange. At the same day, we have 1,000 deposit transactions but 100 Bitcoin inflow to exchange. What does it mean? In one day with same transaction, we have 500 Bitcoin outflow and 100 Bitcoin inflow. Outflow is 5 times more than inflow. This means smart money is coming to the market. So if chart arrive to support zone, probably this support will not break and prices start to going up. Because we know this, when we have outflow from exchange, it means investor bring USDT to exchange, buy Bitcoin and send to their wallet. And when we have inflow to exchange, it means investor or traders wants to sell their Bitcoin and cash their asset. That's it. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you think this kind of video could help you for your investing or trading, just like and subscribe me and wait for my next video. Thank you.